Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We're going to go out to the lake for Appies with Chappie by the lake. I'm going to make chicken salami provolone pinwheels. I think I finally came up with a name for it, and that's what we'll call it. And after Appies with Chappie by the lake, we're heading out to Las Vegas. Oh, Mookie doesn't like Las Vegas. We lost Mookie's college money last year. All right. First up, I'm gonna make a frozen Mai Tai. So I got my cheap little blender here. I use lots of ice. Last week I did a frozen drink, but I put so much booze in it that the ice melted immediately. So I'm gonna put lots of ice on this one. Where are you going, Mookie, huh? All right. Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime, so we'll do about a half an ounce of that. And then we'll do half an ounce of triple sec simple syrup. And then we'll do an ounce of orgeat. And then we'll go half an ounce of carousel, which is an orange liqueur. And now I went to Cuba last year, and I got some, this is the last of my top shelf premium Havana Club rum that I got in Veradero, Cuba. I'll put the link up for my, I got a ton of Cuba episodes, so I'll put the link up for that in the corner there. So, what the heck, we might as well just finish off all the rum. And then I got some nice dark Jamaican rum, but I'll save that for the end. I'll waz it all up, and then we'll do a dark Jamaican rum floater. Mookie, get your head out of the way. All right, so we're gonna blend this up, and I'll be back and put in the garnish and my rum floater, if that's okay with you, Mookie. Mookie, your head is so big, it's killing me. All right, we'll be right back with that. All right, we got that all spritzed up there. So the dark rum is actually a Jamaican rum. And we'll give it a nice floater on top. That's gonna be a stiffy. And a little garnish. And that's my frozen Mai Tai. So coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake, where I'm going to do my salami, chicken, and provolone pinwheels. And then we're heading out to Vegas. All right, I'm going to do, let's call it chicken salami provolone roll-ups. That'll be my working title. I'll probably come up with something better in the actual title of the video. All right, so I got a chicken breast. Gonna remove the tender, and the tender is gonna go for Mookie. And we're just gonna pound this sucker. So we're going to pound it flat, and then we're going to put some cheese in it and roll it up and cover it in salami and sous vide it. All right, that's nice and flat. Put this off to the side for a sec. Some more saran wrap. All right. Now I'm gonna make a bed of salami. I got some nice Genoa salami from Genoa, Italy. So I'm just gonna spread these out like I'm dealing cards. All right, get my chicken. All right, what's next? We need some provolone cheese. And we'll just do 2 slices of provolone. Nice Italian cheese. All right, let's try to roll this puppy up, see what happens. Probably don't want to put this saran wrap in the actual roll. All right, make it nice and tight like a tiger. Okay, and then we're going to sous vide this. I think I'll put it in a Ziploc bag just for extra protection. And I think I'll sous vide it at 160 for, let's say, an hour. We'll see how that goes. And then we'll cut them up into nice little rolls. All right, we got it up to a temp of around 160. That's my sous vide bath. So I got my roll here. Just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag so there's no leakage. All right, we're gonna put that on in. Whoop. All right, it's actually shrunk quite a bit since I took it out, but we'll cut it up and see what happens. looks pretty good. I think that's passable for Appies with Chappie by the Lake. Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. So I got my provolone chicken pinwheels, and we need a drink to go with that. What should we make today, Mookie? Mookie says we're going to make a Charles cocktail from the Savouy Cocktail Book. So it's just a very simple drink. So I have my cocktail shaker here. A little bit of ice, Mookie. All right, so we'll go a dash of Angostura bitters. And it's just a ½ ounce of brandy. I have a brandy rum mix today. And a ½ ounce of Italian vermouth. And we're going to give that a little shake, Mooks. And we're going to strain that into a martini glass. And I got a little lime twist as a garnish. And that's a Charles cocktail. Today we're at the House of Dutch Pot. We're gonna get some Caribbean food, so check it out. Muchos gracias.